Dear shoppers, welcome to Boycott. This Christmas season, we invite you to stop shopping while the bombs are dropping. Over 20,000 people in Gaza were killed this warm winter season, funded by your tax money. When you buy brands such as L'Oreal, Chanel and Dior, you make sure Israel can continue its genocide on Palestinians. While you have been searching for the perfect gift, Israel has killed 6 children every hour. 6 children. Every hour. In the last 2.5 months, 8,000 children have been killed. Show your solidarity with the oppressed people of Palestine. Educate yourself on the genocide. Speak out to your friends about the occupation. Christmas is cancelled. Drop your shopping bags and boycott the brands that power Israeli genocide on Palestinians. Boycott L'Oreal, boycott Dior, boycott Chanel, boycott Cuba. From the river to the sea, Palestine will be free.